Now Shawty, would you like me to take you around the island? Let me show you. I'ma be hot, fast, quick on the down low, yeah. I said, now Shawty, let me catch you like the coconut crab on the running island. I'ma be hot, fast, quick on the down low, yeah. So she's like, yes, yes, now take me right. Okay, so I take her then, put her in the car, and we gon' cruise around the island. So we're just cruising around, she just wanna go home. She told me drop her off, and I said give me some more love. And she said nah, first date, yeah, never last nap. I'ma be like, okay, now I'm ready, down, drop. I said, no Shawty, would you like me to take you around the island? Let me show you. I'ma be hot, fast, quick on the down low. I'm just trying to find a way around her, but nah, she playing cause with the script. Gave her D'Amico, found out that she with another guy. I guess I was just a taxi guy for her. I learned my lesson, listen to this, my mission. I'm trying to catch her, but she giving me that fake feeling. Listen to this, my mission. On the low down, scratch her, another one comes through. I said, yeah. Shawty, would you like me to take you around the island? Let me show you. I'ma be hot, fast, quick on the down low, yeah. I said, no Shawty, let me catch you like the coconut crab on the running island. I'ma be hot, fast, quick on the down low, yeah. I said, now who am I? Come girl, now let me take you out. Yeah, I'm straight from the rock of Harlem, Nisha. Okay, now one time down, I'm giving you the